So I am currently in Texas and I just wanted to show you the Five Below that is here. I haven't been to a Five Below in like forever and they just have so many new things for the summer. I can't believe it. I'm sorry I'm filming on my phone. I wasn't expecting to be here long. I was just coming in. I didn't think that they would have anything new, but they definitely do. So I wanted to show you guys what they had because I'm shook. Okay guys, so it looks like first off, they have a hammock for $5. What the heck? And it feels like it's actually like pretty decent quality. They have these like little $5 beach tables. They have a whole bunch of games like washer toss. I love washer toss. Tons of just knickknacks, but look at like their nice pillows. These are so cute. I guess you put them outside. They're outdoor pillows and they are really nice and they're actually really fluffy. They look like they have tons of inflatable like pool floaties. Oh, and some free air. But like, look at this flamingo and the donut, and oh my god, I'm so obsessed with these. I should definitely get some of these just for Instagram photos. They're so cheap. I can't believe that they're only $5. Oh, they have like pool golf. That's fun. They have all like these cute little pictures. I would totally have a party outside and use these. These are, they're glass. Oh my god, I thought these were gonna be plastic, but they're glass. Look at this cactus. Oh my god. Wow, that's really good. Oh, and they have these ones too, like a little dispenser. Wow. Ah, a beach cup holder. So you stick this in the ground and I guess it holds your cup. They have a whole bunch of beach towels and like a bunch of little kiddie pools, water balloon inflators. Guys, if you are going to the beach, you need to come to Five Below. Look at how cute this stuff is. Snorkeling stuff. I'll just get to like the really, really good stuff. Oh my god, they had indoor, outdoor string lights. That is so good for $5. These are usually like 10 anywhere else. Oh my god, that's so great. Sorry about the dinging of the door. Solar fairy string lights. Oh my god, that is so cute. They have the outdoor solar lanterns. I am so impressed right now. That's actually really cute. They have a whole bunch of coolers. Oh, look at these glass globe terrariums. Oh my god, I love the ones with the lemon in it. That is so freaking cute. The unicorn grow flower kits. Sorry I'm going a little fast, guys. I am actually on my way to a dinner, but I just quick stopped in here to kill some time and I wasn't expecting all of this amazing stuff. What is this? Oh, these are really cute little Bluetooth speakers, chairs, beach coolers, bubbles, tons of things for kids. What else do we have? Super soakers, $5. Oh my god. Oh wait, maybe these are just for bubbles, but still. Tons of like graduation decor and candy. Get me away from that. Oh, they have little water fountains. They're only $5. It's so cute. They have really really cute Buddha things. I know some people are really against the Buddha decor, but I think that if you do it really respectfully and, you know, respect it and put it in a nice like area, I think that is actually okay to go ahead and purchase them. They have these rugs. These are really good quality. They're really, really thick, and it's a hand woven multi-colored rug. It is only $5. They have a 2-tier fabric storage shelf. Look at how cute that is, guys. If you are going to college, you absolutely need to come here. Or if you're just, you know, redecorating your room on a budget, they have the cutest stuff here. Oh my God. They have a bunch of like incense and incense stick holders. Look at how cute these are. There's boxes here, so don't mind. Yes, oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, this is what it looks like outside of the box. That is so adorable. And they have a little Zen garden. I'm obsessed with these rugs. Actually, I would use these as like a beach towel, because, or like a beach blanket to just kind of lay out on, because it's nice and thick and I don't think that sand is gonna be getting through there. They have a big round plush rug in different colors. Little like dream catcher things. The moon mirror, by the way, I purchased this already. I will leave a link in the description below to my latest Five Below haul if you guys are interested in it. A babe cave. I've never heard of that. That's like my favorite color, pink too. Guys, the decor here is just amazing. Bins, rock salt lamps, LEDs, glitter lights, and these coffee mugs are so cute. I can't stand it. Look at the hedgehog and the oh my God, this is so cute. And the little, I need this. If I wasn't traveling, I would absolutely buy this right now. Bed canopies. Oh, look at the plastic. This is only $5. What? This is a 3x6 like outdoor mat. Oh my God, I can't believe that. And the dog beds are freaking adorable. Look at the little lemons on it. It's so perfect for summer. Guys, all of this stuff is brand new here because I go to a Five Below all the time and I have not seen this stuff here yet. I am very, very impressed right now. What else do we have? This stuff. These are all new. That's cute. We have some over-the-door hooks and inflatable chairs and inflatable chair covers. Like, that's a really good idea. So then you just have like, you know, instead of it being plastic, because that's no fun to sit on, you can get the covers and make it like a thing. It's more like a beanbag rather than like a plastic chair. Oh, these are so cute, little hooks for like your clothes or coats or scarves. That's adorable. A free section hamper. That is so great if you are a college student, or anybody actually, but college students come to mind. Let's see what else we have. Since when did they start selling Palo Santo and sage? I don't know if I would trust it from here, but it's cute. Look at these little side lamps, $5, guys. Oh my God, I can't go wrong with that. A little corner shelf, that's only $5. Oh my gosh. This little dinosaur is super cute too. Oh, 3-piece wall shelf? Oh my gosh. Oh, and they have these little like rainbow wire lights. So they're string lights and they, you know, like the fairy lights. A scented pillowcase. Does it smell like Alright, it doesn't really have that much of a smell. It's supposed to smell like lavender, which is cute. If it worked. Oh, a little USB powered desk fan. What? Oh my god, I haven't seen these before. This is amazing. I think I might just buy this. I think I need this. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I'm in love with this. What else do we have? Yes, all these like books and mats. I love all of like these bins. I already purchased this. I love this. This is only $3 and it's like a perfect catch-all for like your keys or whatever. And I actually have it in this one too. I have my sunglasses in one and keys in the other. The acrylic bins. Belt ropes. I can't believe how much cute stuff they have. Every time I think I know everything that Five Below has, they come out with a bunch more cute new stuff. I hope I don't get flagged for having this music in the background, seriously. Guys, if you want to see all of my other Five Below tours, I will leave a link in the description below to those. Make sure you check them out. They are also really, really good. They have like really good ideas for cheap decor. Look at all these cute dog beds. These are just so cute. I hope I'm not going too fast. Like I said, I wasn't even planning on filming in here. I just happened to come in and they just had all this amazing new stuff going on. Oh my gosh. And look at these new rugs. I have not seen these here before. It's a cotton printed rug. So I guess that's the pattern of it. That is so cute. And they have another one that's pink. Sorry if I'm talking so much over the video. I'm just trying not to get flagged for having the music in the background because the store is playing music pretty loudly and it picked it up in my last video and it was a problem. Look at all of these really cute little backpacks. I almost thought I was done. Look at this LED light up strip. You put it behind your TV and you can change the colors. And this one is sound activated LED lights. Guys, if you have dorms, you absolutely need to come here and check these things out. A selfie LED light. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed right now. Yes. And yeah, they have a bunch of other things, guys, but I'm actually gonna end this video now because I have to go to a dinner. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.